A very good morning to you all. So here we are on our way to a very beautiful hill station near Mumbai, which is Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is just 260 kilometers from Mumbai and is said to be having a 6 hours drive, and starting early to this beautiful destination is always a good idea. So we started off at 6 a.m. in the morning, enjoying the scenic beauty around along the roadway. So in this video, we are going to cover all the famous places that you can visit in Mahabaleshwar. To visit Mahabaleshwar, you need to first cross Panchgani, and let's see what we have in Panchgani.
Pasi Point is one point that you will witness when you visit Panchgani on your way to Mahabaleshwar, and you will definitely find this place to be a very scenic place with views of the mountains and the rivers around. This is the beautiful view from the Pasi Point.
This is the river Krishna flowing over here.
The river that you can see here.
Paragliding point, yes, paragliding.
And over there we have the tabletop.
Here you can see this is the tabletop.
You will also find some eateries around, some small shops with sodas, ice creams, some fresh fruit juices, and of course, something you cannot miss out here is the famous homemade jellies, which are very cheap. Government has also established e-washrooms here and has taken very well care of the cleanliness with established dustbins, which makes this place a must visit. So moving on.
So we are here on our way to a waterfall that we discovered, which is just 5 minutes away.
Called Lingmala
waterfall. So we have finally parked our car and we are on our way to Lingmala waterfall. I think there are a few steps we would have to walk down to see what's hidden down there.
Walk is really beautiful, surrounded by trees on both the sides. So you will enjoy a walk. It's like a mini trek.
So we finally reached Lingmala waterfall, and what we found here were there are two waterfalls, one on the left and the other on the right. We chose to take the left one first and then the right. So the left one was a smaller waterfall of 100 meters.
Such a peaceful environment.
We sat here for a while just to hear the sound of the water and feel the peace.
So we have come here to the Lingmala waterfall. This is the main big waterfall, but as we are coming in February season month, this waterfall is not of that much flow with water. But if you come in rainy season or late October, November, you can see a good amount of water over here. It's still a beautiful sight to come with a good valley view. You can see the valley is over here and it has a good view around, so do visit.
We then went to the Echo Point, and guess what? The view from this destination was much mesmerizing. The whole scenario seemed so beautiful that you wish to stay here forever. We then had a lunch and moved on to the hotel that we had booked in for ourselves. We had booked the best hotel of Mahabaleshwar, which was the Le Meridian. We then moved on to the forest trail room that we had booked. We have made a separate video for the whole of the hotel experience we had here. This hotel is so huge that it is an experience within itself. Right from breakfast, To all the beautiful activities you can do here, we will be sharing in a separate video altogether for you all. We then moved forward to visit the local market of Mahabaleshwar. Visiting Mahabaleshwar and not picking up fresh strawberries would have been unfair. We also found a lot of games where kids were playing with their families and enjoying in the market. You will also find some beautiful footwears that you can buy for yourself and a lot of things in these busy markets which will keep you occupied the entire day. The market area of Mahabaleshwar was a very lively experience with a lot of people around busy shopping or maybe having some famous chaat around. Our next day breakfast at Le Meridien was an experience within itself. The breakfast had so many options, right from live counters to some fresh fruit juices and a variety of desserts that you can choose from. Le Meridien had a lot to offer in its breakfast. After having a heart-filled breakfast, we went to visit the Elphinstone Point near our hotel.
Said the view from this point is beautiful. Let me show you the view.
From the Elphinstone Point. So now we enjoy a lot. There's a very cool breeze blowing over here. You will simply hearing the sound of the wind blowing. How's it, Payal? How do you like this place?
Amazing, beautiful city. You can just stand here for some time and feel the pure air over here. And just have a very peaceful night for yourself. There are a lot of things to eat down here. So you can have some bhel, Maggi, any kind of soda.
So we took some corn chaat for ourselves, which was recommended by the vendor there. The corn chaat was so spicy. Along with it, we also had some kokum sharbat, which was another amazing thing to try here.
So guys, we are done with Elphinstone Point and now we are heading to Arthur's Point.
The drive to Arthur's Point is really beautiful. The roads are covered with trees on both the sides, so you get a good tree-covered road drive to Arthur Point.
So we are now at the Arthur's Point. This point is also called as the Queen of... So we have reached the Arthur's Point.
This is not Arthur. So here we have reached the Malcolm Point. Here is the view of all the mountains. Over there is the Arthur Point. This is the Malcolm Point viewpoint.
So in between we found this hunting point, which says that this point was used for hunting by British officers. Pretty interesting. Okay, so Manas has given his try and he figures out kuch nahi hota.
So we are now on our way to the famous Veena Lake, which is said to be a man-made lake, and it is said to be a must-visit here.
Veena Lake. You have a lot of activities probably at this lake also. So there is boating,
Horse riding,
there's horse riding here,
a lot of games.
and a lot of games you can enjoy just near to Veena Lake in the market. The giant wheel is the giant wheel.
चल के चले गई बस
Hi. Yes. Enjoying horse riding
At Mahabaleshwar,
Veena Lake.
So this is the market area of the Veena Lake. You have various kinds of games you can play out here. So finally we are heading back to Mumbai with a lot of memories from Mahabaleshwar, and this is something we would like to share with you. So please stay tuned for our future vlogs and blogs.
Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.